Film.
All right, so we're here with Joe, one of our old buddies. This guy introduced me to the Litepanels Gemini 2x1, and now this year you guys come out with the 1x1. This is a beautiful light. What does it do?
So it's really basically the same thing as the 2x1, but it's in a more small form factor. It's got a little bit less output than the 2x1, obviously, because it's a little bit less light. But it has all the same features, all the same great features, but this one goes up to 10,000 Kelvin. So you're able to do that. You still can plug in all your presets. And you can save all your settings like a radio station. You have all your controls, you have all your effects still in there. Everything that the Gemini did on the big light, everything does in the small light. It's about the same output as a 6x Astra. Okay. A little softer, but you have all your effects in there, everything you can do on that. It's lightweight. And the beauty part is it runs off of one light, and if you're not running at 100%, right now I'm going to get about 4 hours off that battery, and it's a 150.
So you could run the light off of one battery now. Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, because it's in the 14 volt range, so I can run off one battery. At full power, I'm still getting over 2 hours. It's only about a 75 watt draw versus the 2x1, the big Gemini, which is about a 300 watt draw.
Okay, gotcha.
So we got the wattage really down there.
I like it. And one of my favorite things about the Gemini is that it has those presets. Those dials are so important when you're out in the field, just being able to go boop, 3200, boop, 41. I mean, I love being able to do that so quickly.
You can do that. The best part I like is that if I do my presets, so let's say I got one of my presets, it's going to be an HSI mode, which is just hue, saturation, intensity, and then my other one's a gel, and my last one's an effects. I don't have to go through the menu if I know what my presets are. I just hit those, go to that effect. I can change from there, and then when I want to, I can go and save that out of the USB, all my presets. So let's say you're doing a job, and we're doing a job, let's just say for Lamborghini. You know, just what the heck. So I'm doing a job.
Or Ferrari.
Yeah, Ferrari, Lamborghini, either one.
Do both.
And they come back to, hey, I want to reset this and I want to shoot this. You have that stick that's labeled Ferrari or Lamborghini, you stick it back in, you have all your settings that you shot before saved, and you're ready to go.
What's the main difference between, say, the 1x1 Astra and then this 1x1 Gemini? Because, I mean, they're similar products, but obviously there's some differences there.
Well, if you're in daylight mode, there's really nothing different than from this to an Astra Soft. It's basically the same light. The difference between an Astra Soft and this, because we have that opaque material on the front versus an Astra, just an Astra 6x, where you have just all the raw LEDs out there. This one, we have the Soft on there. This one has you can do any color under the rainbow. You can do any effect you want. So that's the main difference. Is this one is an RGB WW light, where like an Astra is just either WW, meaning either 5600 or 32. Gotcha. So you can only do whites with those. These ones we can do any color you want.
Beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to. When are you going to let me try one of these bad boys out?
Anytime you want, we'll bring it right down. We'll come down and we'll go get some pizza, maybe some other stuff out there, and we'll hook up and you can play with one of these for a couple months.
Pepperoni or veggie? What do you like?
Yeah. Oh. Gotta be pepperoni, man. Come on.
Just to wrap it up, are these Geminis out right now? Is the 1x1 Gemini available, and how much is it?
They're about $2,600, and they are shipping today.
Woo! Let me get one of them, babies.
Yeah, you're good.
All right. All right, thanks. So we're here with Joe from Vitech Group.
Yep.
He's one of our old friends and has introduced us to a lot of the great products, and we can't wait to see what you guys come out with next.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Yeah, I don't think the USB will work on a Mini Cooper because, you know, I drive one, and yeah, and they don't let you use a USB in a Mini Cooper. But no, you could. It doesn't matter the car or anything else. You have to edit that one out.